this tree here actually is got to go. We'll cut that down. The sprout tree from the last videos I mentioned with the real estate job. And I don't know if you can see chain bar oil. So before you start going, you want to make sure that the chain bar oil is working. So full revs, early morning, or first job of the day. Let it go for a bit, let it run. So before we start here, also you're probably wondering that I'm wearing jewellery and that it's crazy. Just thought I'd let you know that it's all pure copper and that there's some real benefits. Blood circulation, if you know what I mean.
Doesn't it make
Oh.
a big difference?
How are you, mate?
Doesn't look better.
Yeah, it does,
Yeah.
I've still got a few more to cut. I want to do it right for you.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, it does look, it's getting there, isn't it?
Yes, it did badly.
I just gotta get a little space here for me first. Okay, good day too.
Yes, you're very lucky with the weather.
We take what comes with it.
Yes, you do on your job.
Sun's out, guns out soon. The birds, poo-poo. No. I love when clients have these. Beautiful. But let's go in there and put them. You want to clean up on the way too, as you're cutting, especially if you're working by yourself. You can also have an understanding of how much you're taking away. But all this will fit in my trailer, no problem. Heaviest load at the front, obviously. Just got a message too on Facebook, a good comment too. He sent me an attachment for a string holder on my whipper slipper. I think I might just get it. It'll probably be a great investment actually. Once the trailer fills up, you want to then close it. Then you can start stepping into it and hauling the corners. That's it. Lefty loosey. Just want to pull it so it tightens up. And the back.
It's lovely in the sun.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I love it. You got a great spot too, I reckon. Clean up. It's a big man trailer for the big men. Wow, Mike and Keys. Three in the morning and they're blowing up a brother. Trying to keep things tidy in the workplace, mate. Trying to show you how I put this cover on. Put things back where they were. Here we go. Do you have a neighbour's tree that you need cutting back? Give us a call. Free quotes all around Melbourne.